Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I have Pandahall collaboration video for you guys, and today I will be showing you guys what I have made using various beautiful beads and silicone focal beads that I got from Pandahall. I have mainly chosen things with Easter in mind, but they are so pretty that you can use it throughout the year as well. First off, I have made this one here. Now this is a beautiful purpley color yarn tassel or embroidery yarn tassel that I made. I always love using my gold bead cap to do this instead of putting string all around it to hold it down. So that's what I did. And then for this particular tassel, I am shining this beautiful floral rhinestone clay bead. It is just so stunning. It's got like hearts and flowers and little tiny star pieces, like different shapes of gems, as you can see. So pretty. And this pack comes in many different color versions as well. So I combined it with other beads that I have in the similar tone to match the tassel color. And I got to use this Peeps bunny. I like making my tassels using the aluminium craft wire, and I have tutorials on my channel if you haven't seen that yet as well. And then I dangle the jump ring up here to hold it onto the clasp. Then I also added another purple chain to dangle off my beaded dangles. I have many different color combos here of the similar tones. I even have this one that I made. And then I have this beautiful enamel charm that was gifted to me. So pretty to hold in your hand and really nice gift idea as well. So I have this one here. Then I have this one. So this one I am featuring this beautiful Easter basket focal bead from Pandahall. So I have added that one on top of my shorter yarn tassel. Then I added another focal bead of the heart shape and finished it off with two more little hearts. Then I used the green chain or minty colored chain. And then I added some gumboot, acrylic charm, floral charms, and more of the beaded dangles that friends have sent me. Then I have this pink one here. So this is another version of this particular set. See how it's got two different color tones? So pretty. And this is a pinkier one. So I have added pink heart on top and tiny hearts at the top as well. And then I've got flower charms and some beautiful pink dangles down here with the double-sided enamel flower charms. I put the two flower charms back to back so you can see them both from each side nicely. So pretty. Then I have another one with the Easter basket, and this time I chose a yellow and purpley theme. And look at the basket detail, you guys. Isn't that so pretty? You can use this for any of your beadable items like pens and keychain sticks. And then I have added yellow chain with the yellow dangles on there. So pretty. Then I have this really adorable, cute Easter egg with the chickadee inside. Then I've added heart charms or heart beads at the top with different shades of yellow and pink dangles. This one says shine bright. Then I finished it off with a smiley face daisy. Then I have this one here, which is another color combo of the same set that gave me this beautiful heart rhinestone clay bead. So pretty. I matched it with different shades of blue. Added a blue chain with blue tone dangles, as well as some flower charm. Lots of bead dangles that I have made in the past that I got to combine. So pretty. Then I have the green one. So this is the different version of the similar design, but this is more oval shaped. And I combined it with the bow bead that I have and some clover lucky charm beads, green bead chain, and I added this lovely rhinestone clover, as well as different toned colors in similar theme. Then I have this one here, which is another oval one in the pinky color. So pretty, right? So instead of just making a tassel dangle, if you add a chain next to it with smaller bead dangles and charms, it just accents it so much more. So pretty. And it feels so nice to have it in your hand, and it's a really nice gift. Then you guys, I have also found that adorable bunny headband silicone bead, right? So I actually had 3 of these face beads. So I put them together using bow bead as well and some hearts on top. Added a white chain with some pinky bead dangles. I added a cross here too. And then daisy in pink. So pretty. Look at that. I think I need to get myself more of these. Very, very nice. I also made another one in the blue tone using this blue bow bead, which was a gift, and it's so pretty, this bow bead. I need to find myself more of these. It's a really nice size and really nice detail. And then I did the bunny headband as well. I did a blue chain with blue tone beaded dangles and some creamy color flower charm and a daisy. I love anything to do with daisies, you guys, as well as strawberry. So pretty. So this is all the things that I got to make using various beads from Pandahall and using like silicone focal beads as well. The silicone focal beads don't have to be just used for your beadable pens, you guys. They accent your project so beautifully like I've done here. And I'm sure you guys are going to have a lot of fun with these type of beads as well and making yarn tassels. Thank you so much for being here, everybody. And I will link other videos that I have shared using the embroidery yarn tassels. Thank you so much, everybody. And make sure you guys go use my discount code when you're shopping at Pandahall. Thank you very much. Bye for now.